What is up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you guys a video strategy style, really just a framework that works for basically every single time for TikTok Shop affiliates with these specific products, all right? I just started, now this has now worked like with multiple products, has gotten hundreds of thousands of views, and it's super easy to go in and replicate and pick up some serious momentum pretty quickly, all right? I'll play this video here for you in a bit, but I posted this on March 5th, so like a week ago, and it already has 200,000 views, close to like 9,000 likes. Videos just like it that I've posted like 7, how many videos total with this product? 4, 7, like less than 10 videos, and they're all starting to like, not all of them are getting crazy views, but like they're getting a few thousand, which is now like entering the zone of TikTok, like where videos could pop off, right? Like even this one that had 200,000 views, it was sitting at like 300 or 3,000 for a little bit, and then randomly it just like took off. So that's kind of like the range. As you can tell, the framework is Shark Tank videos. Shark Tank products they just work on TikTok. Like people just love watching Shark Tank, I guess. So, you know, when you think about TikTok and the products that pop off there, for the most part, they're products that you're seeing for the first time. It's all like discovery based, you know, videos go viral. People start talking about, oh, I got this from TikTok Shop. I got this on TikTok, right? The products that fall under that category, they're seeing it for the first time. It's usually like, it has like mass market appeal. It's like a cool thing that you don't just walk into, you know, like CVS or Walmart and see. It's a specific type of product that just crushes it on TikTok. Stuff you've never seen before. But, you know, what comes along with seeing a product for the first time on TikTok, people just start, you know, the first thing that crosses their mind is, oh, is this thing a scam? Is this a real product? People just like love throwing that word around, right? Like, oh, it's a scam, this product. So now you need to mix in that virality, like when you have a video just go viral. You now need to mix in some like social proof, credibility, and add some authority to it, all in one video. And then that's like when it actually starts to work. You can get people who are just seeing your product for the first time, you can get them to buy it right then and there within 45 seconds to like 2 minutes, right? And the framework that I follow for every single one of these Shark Tank videos is basically exactly the same. For like the first 45 seconds to a minute, I try to make them like, that video was one with 200,000 views was 2 minutes long. You know, I've had other ones that were just over a minute that have still done billions of views and have generated like tens of thousands of dollars in sales. So for the first like beginning, you know, the hook of it, right? Like I just don't, you want to put the viewers in a position where even if they don't want to buy the product, like if they don't have no interest in it, by the end of the video, they're still just going to watch it. Right? Like you want to just entertain them. People are there to be entertained. And clearly Shark Tank is a very entertaining show for a lot of people. Like people literally love Shark Tank, dude. It's wild. Because like every single video, like there's like so many products on TikTok that like their main videos, put them on the map, were just clips from Shark Tank. So what I do is for like the first like 45 seconds, I can just play this video here for you guys if you want to see it actually. Then I'll kind of break down what it was. Because this is, again, one that I just made, so it's a timely update, I guess, here. Hey, if you like, speaking of timely updates, if you like timely updates, like the video for me and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more updates when I have them. So, here we go.
Tall, pale, and handsome? Me neither. And when I was on my honeymoon in Antigua with my new sexy sun-kissed Italian wife, hey, take it easy, who happens to be Tom's sister, I was nicknamed Mayonnaise by one of the locals because I stood out next to her perfect tan. The next day, I decided to finally try to get a tan. But this is how I ended my honeymoon. Hey, look, it's a lobster. So this started my journey in the self-tanning world, and I tried everything under the sun. Nothing worked for me. Left me all orange or blotchy, or left tanning streaks all over the sheets. I thought to myself, there's got to be a better way. A few years later, we launched Bro Glow. Self-tanner for the boys! Which one of you sharks wants to be a bro and help this bro finish his Bro Glow tan? And we can tan all the pale bros around the world with Bro Glow. Self-tanner for the boys! So we put 3 to 5 pumps in your hand. Yeah. And what you're going to do is you're going to rub it in circles.
Right, so just for reference, like we're a minute in at this point, and there's like, you know what the product is, but there's no mention of like me showing it and being like, you guys need to buy this, or like I just tried this, right? It's just like an episode. Like people just love to watch Shark Tank, so I'm just like showing them like an entertaining and funny clip. And the way that I have like these captions here, so like right in the beginning, like again, when you're watching this, you're not gonna think there's like it's not like an ad. It's not a promotional video. Like it's a 2-minute video where it's just the Shark Tank episode, right? So people just want to watch it and not, you know, they don't think they're being sold to in any way. And then I do, so after that, after the quick little intro, like, oh, self-tanner for the boys, a lot of the viewers are probably going to be seeing that for the first time. So now they're like, oh, okay, let me like, you know, see what this is all about. The episode is funny, like I'll just watch it, right? So then the next thing I do here could be my favorite episode yet. So, you know, kind of just like putting it into their head like, oh, this video is going to get better. Like, keep watching. If you thought that beginning part was funny, this part is going to be even better, right? So I do that. And then now we're getting like 30 seconds in, right? Like they're kind of still just, you know, putting on the pitch or doing the pitch. So now I say just wait till you see how well it works. So now they're kind of like expecting like a live demo, right? Like they're going to be like, all right, like, you know, I've watched 30 seconds of this. Let's see if this thing is the real deal, right? We keep going in. Now again, he's like actually starting to use it. So people are going to wait to see if there's something, if something happens. From that Shark Tank. So this is where I throw in my clip.
Hours? I'm going to be 10.
I gotta wait 6 to 8 hours?
It's going to be a long show. Get his legs, Kevin. Get his legs.
All right. Thank you very much, Kevin.
So I picked one of these up from that Shark Tank. Now it's like showing like, oh wow, like I grabbed one of these, like, and then, you know, I'll show you how it works, right? This is how it works. Look at how this stuff actually works. It's crazy.
You have very good, clean ingredients in this. You don't.
So now I'm starting to kind of like transition into I'm giving it credibility and social proof right here, because like the sharks are like, wow, this is legit, you know? And then I always will have the end too. I'll show that the sharks like start to bid on it, because that just like shows that it's like, all right, if they are willing to invest in it, then it's like, it's a legit thing, right? So it kind of adds the authority right there. But this is kind of just leading up into it, getting that interest, and then showing the deal.
Really chemicals.
You know, we were surprised how much guys are cognizant about ingredients. Our active ingredient is called DHA. It's sugar beet derived, which acts with the amino acids in your outer layer of skin, and that causes the tan look.
And how long does it last?
The body tanner lasts about 5 to 7 days.
I have to tell you, you're
right. So here's the end. So now it's like, okay, now they know how it works. So they watched a funny video, just entertained kind of for a minute and a half. Then they're like, okay, this is like how it works. The sharks are like, hey, this is legit. Now let's jump into, all right, now they're going to start like bidding on it. So now it's like, oh, wow, they all want to get a piece of this. Like this stuff must be the real deal.
is amazing.
Thank you.
Give you $200,000, I get 5% equity.
I would give you $200,000.
Guys, I'll give you 200.
So they're all like going back and forth, right?
10%, yes or no?
Well, then you should look over here because I'm more flexible.
Guys, with respect to the sharks,
Bro, you got a deal.
If you guys haven't seen this yet, I'll go in and add it right here to the TikTok shop for you. If you're looking to get nice and tan for the summer, trust me, you guys can thank me later. I'll add it right here to the video for you. All right, there we go. So that was the first video I posted with this product. But like that framework is exactly what I follow with all of these Shark Tank videos. Like this is a different product, exact same script basically.
You get the hiccups?
Boom!
Oh my God, sharks. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's happening.
Right, so just starting out, just like an entertaining Shark Tank clip.
That easy.
How does that work?
Shocking how that happened.
You know. Now I start to add some social proof, like Cuban. I actually snuck some in here a little early, like showing that Cuban was using it.
Cycle of spasms in the diaphragm and drinking through the hiccup generates enough pressure
through it. That's where it generates that pressure that he was referring to in the video. I don't even get the hiccups that often, but I just try to make the video entertaining, even something like this. This video crushed it. So I'm like, wow, they even have these in hospitals. It's a new Shark Tank product. So there's like a minute of him just using it. So people are going to watch it. They don't think that I'm like selling anything. Okay, now I move in to show some more credibility so people aren't like, oh, what is this? It's like it's a fake product, right? I show the Shark Tank episode here.
You're good. I'm glad it worked for you.
The straw he was using here is a recent Shark Tank product, and it's pretty crazy how it works. It's designed by Dr. Safety here, and one you guys have seen, I made a video on this one here. But just showing the clip. Okay, 30 seconds in.
Right? And I just want a yes or no. The offer is $250,000 that you asked for 20%.
So yeah, you know, you don't have to get too crazy technical with it, right? Like it's if you see a product that has like mass market appeal, it's something that you're probably going to see for like the first time, right? Like you're not going on to. I just bought a new Brita. We got 2 days ago. I'm not going to TikTok shop for that, right? I didn't even think about it. Like immediately I needed a new one and I went to Amazon. But with these products, like Brita wasn't, or maybe it was on Shark Tank, I don't know. 'Cause everybody knows like what a Brita is. So I just like bought it there. But not everybody knows what, you know, a Hiccup straw is. Not everybody knows what, you know, this new self-tanner for the boys, right? Like they probably haven't seen it before. So now they see it. And then the Shark Tank episode kind of just adds that extra layer of authority there. And yeah, that's at least what I have found. That's basically literally like all of my videos that have performed, like my top performing videos, they're all Shark Tank clips. They leverage Shark Tank in one way or another. You know, you can kind of get creative with it and you don't have to make the exact same video over and over again. But it's taking those points like, hey, look at this new Shark Tank product. Watch this clip from the episode. Okay, watch the sharks like go in and bid on it. This is the product in real life, and then you kind of show your clips. So yeah, that's what's worked for me. That's what I've seen work for a ton of other creators on TikTok. Highly recommend finding some Shark Tank products to start promoting because you can even make like faceless content. I didn't have to show my face in any of those videos, and it works. That wraps up today's video. Just wanted to give you guys a viral framework. Maybe that'll be the title of the video, a viral TikTok shop script. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I don't really think of those things in advance, but yeah. Hey, if you guys like the video for me, subscribe to the channel. You guys can join our communities on School. I've got one for brand owners and creators. Check them out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.